in the heart of Jakarta. Mr. Surya, a busy entrepreneur, found solace in the midst of his hectic life with a surprising discovery: the Wang Qirui electric massage chair. Amidst the city's hustle and bustle, he craved a moment of tranquility, only to be met with an unexpected obstacle: an unsettling waste noise from his newly purchased massage chair. Determined to address this issue, Mr. Surya reached out to Wang Qirui's customer service, not expecting the promptness that ensued. Within 24 hours, a technician arrived at his doorstep, ready to resolve the abnormal sound. The dedication displayed by the Wang Qirui team was as remarkable as the seamless blend of technology and comfort their chairs promised. Post-service, the difference was night and day. The massage chair hummed softly, transforming his home into a personal wellness retreat. Its precision-targeted massage nodes now worked their magic on his tired muscles without a whisper of disturbance. Mr. Surya marveled at how the chair, customized for Indonesian preferences, eased not just physical tension but also the inconvenience he initially faced. Impressed, he shared his transformed experience across social media platforms, highlighting Wang Qirui's exceptional after-sales service that extends beyond the bustling streets of Jakarta to other Indonesian cities like Surabaya, Bandung, and even neighboring areas. His story echoed the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction, turning him into an advocate for Wang Qirui's massage chairs in Indonesia and beyond. In a world where true relaxation can be hard to find, Wang Qirui's dedication to resolving issues swiftly turned an anomaly into a testament of trust, making Mr. Surya's home a peaceful haven in the midst of urban chaos.